Hi guys, I welcome you all to my channel CSNet Lectures. So in this session, we are going to discuss about how to convert if pre-order value is given and we are going to find the post-order traversal. Or if the post-order traversal is given, how to find the respective pre-order. Okay, so this is the format. Suppose if this type of question is being asked, actually this is a very important question type. So you must know how to implement it. So I am going to solve and show you, right friends? So before starting the session, I request you to subscribe my channel, and if there are any new viewers who are watching my channel, you can also watch it and subscribe it friends, right? So it will be a great benefit for our team as I will be telling in all the videos friends, right? So now how to solve this? So see, pre-order value is given and in-order value is given. So from these two, I must have to find the respective post-order. So before solving this, please watch how to find the pre-order, post-order or in-order traversal, which I have explained it in the previous videos friends. So suppose if you understood, you can able to solve this. So to find the pre-order value or the post-order value, okay, so what you should have to do is, first you should have to draw a tree, okay, based on the given values. So after drawing the tree, finally you should have to find the post order or pre-order, whatever that is being asked in the question, based on the traversal path we will be using in the previous techniques friends, right? So that is one thing. Then take the in-order value as the basis one for solving any type of questions, okay. So you should have to use the in-order values that is being given as the basic one for to start solving the question, right? So now I am going to solve. See, what is the given traversal value? So it is pre-order. Suppose if it is pre-order, what is the traversal order we will be using? Root node, left and right, isn't it? So from this, can you tell me which will be the root node? Yes, you are right. So this is going to be your root node, isn't it? So first root, then left and then right. So according to the traversal technique, this is my root node, isn't it? So now start to draw the tree by taking the root node as the first step. So here this is your root node, isn't it? So draw the root node first. Now you take for the next values the in order traversal path. So now T has been finished, isn't it? So now what is the next value present? So next value present is M. So now to find in which location M has to be present, whether it is left or whether it is right, okay. So find it from the given in order traversal. Since T is my root node based on this value that I have found, so where is M present? So M is present to the left of T. Because T is a root node, so M is present to the left of this root node. So that is what the thing I am just telling you, that in order should be taken as a basic one, right? So can I write like this? Yes, I can write. So M is present to the left of T. So now this is finished. Friends, can you follow? Okay. So what is the next value? L. So from this, where I should have to write L? So that I should have to find from this in order traversal. Okay. So L is present to the left of T and to the left of M, isn't it? So from the root node, L is present to the left. Okay. And again it is present to the left of M. Friends, can you follow? Okay. So L is present to the left of the root node, again to the left of M, because this I have drawn, isn't it? So for each and every step I should have to consider the all the values that I have written. So can I write like this? Yes, I can write. So L is being finished. So what is the next value? N. Okay. So how to write N? Again see the in order traversal. So N is present to the left of the root node, isn't it? So N is present to the left of the root node. Again, where I must have to write? It is also present, because I cannot write directly because there are values present. Okay, again it is present to the right of M. Okay, so again it is present to the right of M. So I can draw like this. Okay, N. Friends, can you follow? Okay. So now take P. So find P in the in order, where I must have to write. So P is present to the right of the root node. See, this side it is being present. So still I have not written any values. I can directly write it. Okay. So like this I can write. Friends, can you follow? So this also I have completed. So next is O. So where O is present? O is present to the right of this root node. So to the right of this root node, can I write? I cannot write because P is present. Okay. So where is P? O is present to the left of P. Friends, can you follow? So again O is present to the left of P. So I must have to write like this. Okay. So each and every time check the condition. So next you take Q. Okay, where is Q is present? So Q is once again present to the right of T. Okay, so Q is present to the right of T. Can I write? No, I cannot write. So again where I should have to write? So it is present to the right of P. So this place is empty. I can write. See, Q is present to the right of the root node. Again it is present to the right of P. Okay, so I can write here because it is empty. Okay, so Q is being finished. So next you see R. Okay, so R where it is present in order traversal, again it is present to the right of T. So here it is lying. But where I can write, see, he is being filled. Isn't it? Once again it is present to the right of Q, isn't it? So right of Q. So once if you see, I have written all the values. So this is the actual tree structure for the given pre-order value with respect to that of the in-order value. So for this one, I should find the post-order value. If I find, I will be able to tell what is the post-order value for the given tree structure. Friends, are you all clear? First start with the root node and take the successive values and put it in the respective places based on the in-order value. Okay friends, so now we will see what is the post-order value for the given tree structure, that is found tree structure. So the post-order value will be left, right and then the root node. Okay, so now I am going to write. Start from the root node, move on to the left side. Okay, I think all know how to write the post-order traversal. See, I cannot write this, so go over here, left. Okay, then where I should have to go? Right. So right is also empty, isn't it? So L, N, okay, so L, N and then M. Okay friends, so this side I have completed. So now I am going to skip towards this side. So left, right and then root node, because left side should be completed fully and the right should have to be completed fully, and then finally I should have to write the root node, isn't it? So now move on to this side. So right side if you see O. Okay, so root, this is not empty, this is a subtree. So O, okay, then right side I should have to write C, O, then Q, but Q is not empty, it is having a subtree. So move over here, so R, because left is empty. So this and then this, since this is empty I have not written, so R and then Q. Okay, so so this I have completed, this also I have completed, then what is this? P, then finally T. Okay friends, so this is your post-order traversal for the given problem. Okay friends, are you all clear? Right. So now we are going to proceed with another type of a problem friends, right? So friends, this is a sample question what I have written over here. So you must have to solve and give me the answer in the comment section. So I am there for watching it and I am waiting for your answers friends, right? So in the next session I am going to tell you another very important problem type of the same traversal. Okay. So thank you for watching and bye.